Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to change battery on a Mercedes Benz. This is the same for all model of Mercedes Benz, as long as they're using this key. So when you look at this key, it's really difficult to tell where the battery is located because everything is so smooth, like you can't even tell where the battery is. But I'm gonna show you how to locate the battery. So when you look at this key right here, there is this manual key right here. So this is actually a manual key. So to remove this key, you have to push this lever. When you hold down this lever, this, push it, then you extract this key right here. Extract it. So when you extract it, there is going to be a lever, some kind of a hook inside here. If you can see it right here. So this hook, you're actually going to pry it and then push this path out. So you're gonna push it, then try and see. See, that's popped up, right? So when you remove this, you will see where the battery is. So from this, you can actually see that the battery uses a CR2025 3 volts. That's the battery that this uses. So if your key is no longer working, you can pry it open and remove this battery and replace it with the same exact battery. So you can see this is a CR2025 as a size, and to remove it, just pry it open like this. It's out. All right, so you can just go to any auto dealer shop or even Walmart and get this size of battery. I need you to replace this one. When you repress it, just push it back in like this and put the cover back like so. All right, then you can put the key back in, and that's it. If you learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.